Hello English learners, my name is Alice and today I bring you 5 tips to improve your pronunciation. Let's start. So the first tip is listen and imitate. Choose one phrase, the easiest one, and then pay attention how native speakers pronounce this phrase and repeat, imitate them. For example, let's take a phrase, how are you? How are you? How are you? Imitate, listen and repeat, listen and imitate the native speakers. The second tip is to practice phonetics. Choose one that you find challenging and try to repeat it. Try to pronounce it correctly. Pay attention to the placement of your tongue and airflow. For example, let's take the combination of TH. TH sounds like pronounce words with the sound th, like think, thought, thunder, think, teeth, smooth, there, or there. Pay attention to your tongue and to the airflow. Think, thought, think, teeth. Let's take another combination like CH that sounds like ch, chair, child, chili, church, children, cheese, chips, chop, and chop. Or another one, CH combination that sounds like ship, sheep, shell, shell, shore, should, shoulder, short, and shirt. The third tip is to mimic native speakers. Let's take a word restaurant. Pay attention how the native speakers pronounce this sound restaurant, restaurant. Try to imitate their pronunciation. Pay attention, focusing on the position of your tongue and the airflow. Restaurant. Tip number 4, work on word stress and syllables. All words have syllables. They are smaller parts. For example, let's take a word photographer. The word photographer has 4 syllables. Photographer. Notice that the stress falls on the second syllable. Photographer. Pay attention to the rhythm of the words and emphasize the stress syllable to improve your pronunciation. Photographer. And the tip number 5 is seek feedback and practice with a partner. Look for a language partner or tutor and engage in conversation. Ask them to provide you with feedback on specific words and sounds you find more challenging, like sound th. Practice saying words containing this sound with your partner and incorporate their suggestions to improve. Remember that improving pronunciation takes time and consistent effort. Be patient with yourself and keep on practicing regularly. Over time, you will see that you will develop greater fluency and clarity in your English pronunciation. I hope you found this video useful for you. For more videos, follow my channel.